So today what I was going to do was show Noah how to use a Michoacan using the rope wrench. It's a knot that I like to use with the rope wrench because it's the legs are really small and I find it really doesn't run on me, and I really like the way it moves. So what I'm going to do is I'll show Noah the Michoacan. Actually, I'll do wraps downward and wraps upward. Also, I'll show him how to connect the rope wrench just to the rope, and you know, it'll be Noah doing it and then I'll do it. Alright, thanks. So the first way I was going to tie the knot, the Michoacan, was to go downward wraps, kind of the way I like to do it because it's kind of simple for me. And you do that by going 1, 2, 3 downward. The top one crosses behind and the other leg goes under that one and crosses straight through. So that's the Michoacan with wrapping downward. So now I'll show you the Michoacan going upward. So it's just like the Blakes, really. You go 4 wraps up, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and then the other leg crosses over the bridge and then it goes through the back, and then that's also the Michoacan. But you got to make sure the legs are the right length. I'm not used to going upward, I usually go downward, so there you go. And you'll know it's a Michoacan because you have a leg going on this side going outward and on the opposite side going outward also. Okay, so when I do double rope and I finish, these legs are, you know, facing kind of toward me. But I find that when I'm going to use the rope wrench, I'll turn it 180 and I'll use it this way. For some odd reason, for me, it doesn't really run or slide when I come off of the rope wrench. So what you want to do, this is the rope wrench. It has a pin, a slick pin. You pop that, and then you can, there's a little groove in there that you can drop that little lever into, and then all you do is pop it to your rope. You connect the slick pin, right, and they got arrows showing you which way it should be on the rope. Your knot's underneath it. Now I've modified this. I have a small sling or strap, and I've made this little just clip. None of this up here needs to be rated because all it does is move your rope wrench up. And so then what I'll do is I'll get my carabiner, connect it to the one leg, and I like to use the bottom part of a hitch climber pulley, and I'll connect the other leg. I'll get it all situated, and the way I connect mine is up to this, to the top ring of the hitch climber pulley. So there, that's what it'll look like when I'm set up. So this whole setup, all your life support is this French press-hook and your carabiner and your pulley. This is all part of your life support. And what the rope wrench does is just gives you enough, takes enough pressure off your line to be able to let this move. Okay, so I'm going to have Noah tie the Michoacan using downward wraps. There we go. So for me, I like the Michoacan because some of the other knots that I've tried, they just didn't really work well for me. I'm using a 24-inch, and so is Noah, a 24-inch press-it cord, and it seems with the 4 wraps that it doesn't really slide on you. So he's gonna get the rope wrench, he's gonna unhook the slick pin, he's gonna put the slick pin in the groove, and using, there you go, putting it on top, pop the slick pin in. Now he has a double eye pulley, so he's gonna use the eye on the bottom. Because what we use is the the top eye for the chest harness where you clip onto, or a lanyard or whatever you choose to use. Cool. Alright, looks like it's ready to go. Okay, so one real quick point I wanted to make is when I bought this rope wrench, they didn't have the rubber grommet. So it's important when you're using the rope wrench that it kind of stays like this when you're up in the tree and you're resting. What you don't want to have happen is to have this rope wrench collapse and drop against your climbing knot, because then you rest your body on it and it could pull you and just let you run. So I think that's the reason why they started having that rubber grommet. So what tends to happen with me, what I normally do as I'm working the tree, I'll go up and then I'll push it up and then I rest my body weight. So this point is pointing down at me. I know that's never going to hit my knot. So now with the new configuration with that little rubber grommet, that's not going to happen. It's right there, so anytime you're going to move up, it won't allow it to collapse that way. That was a real good point. And if you have the old style, just make sure that you never let it point down and touch your knot, because at that point you could run and you could have a pretty good accident. Okie doke. Okay, so we just went over tying the Michoacan knot with a 24-inch cord with the rope wrench. Just wanted to use that knot, show Noah that knot, because it's one that I like to use a lot. You can use many different knots. If you as long as it's with a French pressic, you could use VT, Michoacan, distal, Swabish, any of the climbing knots that are with a French pressic you can use. Everything's going to vary if you have whatever rope you have, the length of your cord. But for what we're doing, a 24-inch with the Michoacan, and Noah has a 9-inch sling. Mine's a lot smaller. It works well with this setup, but like I said, you can use anything. So just the tying of the knot and just the basic setup of the rope wrench with the sling. And we had a hitch climber pulley with 3 rings, and also a double pulley, a notch double eye pulley. So thanks for watching.